Welcome to my channel. My name is Salenthia, and I am a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Blogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Also, I have collaborated with some ladies to do a March Madness. It's been very competitive. I don't quite have the stats on who won, so I won't be able to verbally say, but I will post them on the screen for week 2, who was in first place. So there is a prize for the people who have the highest number saved in 1 week. So I've been trying to avoid all of this, the big numbers, but some kind of way. Last week I got a 6. This week I got I guess technically week 1 I got a 6, and then week 2 I got 8. So that's why I have these dollars here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my money from last week. I need my players cards as well. So in total I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14, which isn't bad. I did decide that once we complete the savings challenge competition, I will go ahead and take my kiddos to McDonald's. Okay, my kids are being so rowdy. Alright, so what we need to do now is remove from week 1 and week 2. I've already called those ladies, which means that there are 4 ladies left. My name is somewhere in here, and we're just gonna pull these 2, and hopefully if I call my name, I just a 1. All right, Tiny Budget Co. and Vita's Budget. Okay, so let's roll the dice and see what Tiny Budget Co. Lori will have to, let's see, hopefully she gets a 6. All right, week number 3, 6. Yes, I love it for everybody else because everybody else is trying to win, the highest amount so they can win the prize at the end. And Miss Vita's budget is going to 5. She has to stuff 5. Yay! So 5 points for me. I love that. That is so cool. I've been highlighting my amounts, and I've actually wrote their names out so I can mark off who actually called my name. So I have week 1 and then week 2, the people who already have pulled my name, and then Tiny 6, and then Vita 5. So I just mark it that way. I know those are the numbers I pulled for them. I'm not going through to put in all the numbers that people are calling. So Vita was 5. All right, so we only have 2 more. So hopefully week 3 will be low numbers for me. I mean, I'm hoping I will get some low numbers, but we'll see how everything plays out. This has been so much fun. Like I've mentioned before, really competitive, but I will link all of the ladies in my group down below. And then also this savings challenge is available down below as well. I think that was everything I wanted to say to you all. And I'm not even certain what day you're seeing this. I did want to go ahead and get it posted before I spend that money. $8 burns a hole in my pocket pretty easily. So, but that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.